Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Zillow account disable how to fix. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So understand the reason for disabling. Zillow may disable accounts that violate its community guidelines or terms of service. This includes inappropriate behavior, spamming or submitting false information, or it can also be payment issues. If you have an outstanding balance or payment issue, your account might be temporarily disabled. Zillow may disable accounts as a part of fraud prevention if unusual activity is detected. So what you need to do now is head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar type in Zillow support, and then tap on the first link that is shown to you, that is the Zillow support. Once you are here, you'll be provided the Zillow phone number. Now all you gotta do is contact the phone number and then briefly describe about the situation, and they will provide you a detailed information on how to disable your account. Next is to review Zillow's terms of service. If you are unsure why your account was disabled, review Zillow's terms of service. Ensure you have unintentionally violated any of their policies, as this can help prevent future issues. You can also reset your password or create a new account if necessary. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.